Ever wrestled with thick military fabrics like Cordura or Kevlar? Traditional cutting methods can be a nightmare: uneven cuts, wasted material, and sore arms after battling tough textiles. There's a better way. Introducing the game changer, digital cutting machines. This video dives into how a digital cutting machine can be your secret weapon for conquering even the most challenging military fabrics. We'll show you the struggles, say goodbye to hand cramps, inaccurate cuts, and wasted material. Digital precision, witness the smooth, clean cuts a digital machine delivers on even the toughest fabrics. Scissors. Effortless workflow, discover how a digital machine streamlines your cutting process, saving you time and frustration. Stopwatch. Imagine effortlessly creating precise patterns for military gear, backpacks, and other heavy-duty projects. The possibilities are endless. Ready to upgrade your cutting game? Watch this video to see how a digital cutting machine can transform your workflow. Don't forget to leave a comment below. What military fabrics are you itching to conquer? Contact us to learn more about Omni Digital Cutting Machines.